This video is about how to actually make your product visible on Amazon because a lot of brands assume that once they list a product, Amazon will just magically do the rest. And that's not how it works. Amazon is a search engine, a very competitive one, by the way. Visibility is earned through relevance, performance, and consistency, not just having a good product. And if you're struggling with very low impressions, slow sales, or feeling buried under your competitors, it's usually not because your product is bad. It's because Amazon doesn't have enough signals yet to prioritize you. So I want to walk you through a few of the most effective ways to increase visibility on Amazon and why tools like Levanta make this process a lot more manageable for brands that want to grow without guessing. Okay, so the first thing to understand is that Amazon visibility actually starts with keyword and intent, right? So when someone searches on Amazon, they're usually close to buying Amazon. They're usually close to buying. So Amazon's goal is to show products that are more likely to convert. So that means your product needs to be relevant to the search and proven to perform. So when I search something like, let's do collagen powder, right? Here we go. You'll notice the same brands show up again and again and again, and that's not random. Like also searching, wireless earbuds. Let's see what comes up. Wireless earbuds. You'll see again some of the same brands come up again and again and again. Those products are optimized basically for keywords, and people who are actually using them, they're built for performance history. So this is where a lot of brands struggle, is because they're optimized for what they want to say instead of what shoppers are actually searching for. Visibility starts with alignment between your listing and real buyer behavior. So, your product listing is the foundation of visibility. That includes your title, bullet points, images, A plus content, and backend keywords. Amazon's algorithm looks at, all of that to basically determine that relevance. If your title isn't clear, your images aren't compelling, or your bullets don't answer common buyer questions, Amazon is basically, they have no reason to push your product higher. But optimization alone isn't enough anymore. A perfectly optimized listing that doesn't generate sales or traffic will still struggle, basically. So that's where distribution and amplification actually come in. This is where tools like Levanta really stand out. Levanta helps brands drive very, very high quality external traffic to their Amazon listings through like the creator and affiliate partnerships. And this really matters because Amazon pays attention to where traffic comes from and how it behaves. So when relevant external traffic comes in and converts, Amazon sees that as a very strong signal, and it tells the algorithm that people want this product. So instead of relying only on ads or hoping Amazon figures it out, Levanta gives brands a way to intentionally increase visibility by partnering with creators who have already trusted these audiences. This is especially powerful for newer products that don't yet have a lot of history inside of Amazon. So, the biggest mistake brands make is treating visibility as one tactic. They focus only on ads, or only on keywords, or only on influencers, but Amazon rewards consistency across signals. So, when your listing is optimized, your pricing makes sense, your traffic converts, and your product earns reviews, visibility, compounds over time. So, Levanta fits into the system by basically helping brands scale creator driven traffic into a way that's trackable and performance based. That's a big difference from one off influencer campaign that are hard to measure. So it basically gives brands more control over how visibility grows instead of waiting on the algorithm to actually, catch up. So, if there's one thing I want to leave with you, it's this. Amazon visibility isn't about hacks. It's about actually giving the algorithm enough high quality signals to actually trust your product. And that means relevance, conversion, and momentum. Levanta works well because it helps brands influence the part of that, equation that's the hardest to control, and traffic quality. So instead of guessing which creators might move the needle, brands can build structured partnerships that actually drive measurable results back to Amazon. For brands that are serious about growing on Amazon, especially in competitive categories, having a tool like Levanta makes visibility more intentional. It turns creator marketing into a growth lever instead of a brand experiment. So if your product is solid, but visibility is the issue, issue, the answer usually isn't more guessing, it's better signals, better systems, and better amplification. That's where tools like Avanza actually shine.